In Elitoro, it was all just a dream. Dear Diary, Dumela, Diary. The story follows a young artist who dreams of becoming the greatest musician of all time. He loves making music and spent most of his time in studio. To him, it was all about melodies, harmonies, listening to this beats, kicks, these MP3s. However, despite years of effort, he never find success. Me wa hae onadula amu encourage to face reality and find a stable job to survive in this harsh economy. All he did and thought about in a studio are recording Mino. Music was his love. Music was oxygen. Music was his life.
Ain't even about love. It ain't even about love these days. People showing off these days. What you see in a true story staged. Colors going on backstage. Attention never paid. Don't care about each other, no way. Yeah. Sweat is love, ish is a game. No credit if you broke, you don't play. She got the cheat code, she won't say. How fitari, boss, so dalaga, you're not on the way. Bro codes, cheats from niggas in the streets. Heat for the streets, cold in the game. Yeah. What you want is everywhere. Just gotta choose your one. Just gotta choose your game. I'm a khata and put her behind bars. Ramolata. Bailey style stalker off the chain. Shapa doggy style hale haka. Some niggas bragging about her. How could she ask for forgiveness? It ain't even about love. After the way that she hurt it. Ain't even about love. She let him down in the darkness. She blame it on love. She blame it on love.
He thought deep about his mother's words and his reality. I hand out that CV to anyone willing to take them. Eventually, he got a job as a bartender at the place called Fabulous. At first, it is simply a way to make a living. Emba Hanako in the area, he soon grows to enjoy the craft of mixing drinks. He loved it, he enjoyed it, he became good at it. One night, a beautiful woman walks into the bar and asks for a cocktail. Inspired by his artistic instincts, he ignores the menu and randomly mixes different liquors, creating a new completely drink.
Hey, hope you good. I want a cocktail. Not something too sweet. Not something strong or sour. Something nice. Please, friend.
All right. Okay, let me see what I can make for it.
enjoyed it. She loved it.
All right. Okay. This is so nice. What's this one called?
Ahem. I honestly made my own mixture. The name, I call it, Tycoon.
Although he never saw her again, the moment stays with him. Onadula anana ka yena tsatsi le letsatsi. He continued making the same cocktail night after night, hoping she might return. Well, customers began to love the drink and curiosity about it spreads. Eventually, one of the customers ailing people from major liquor companies ba ile ba taste the cocktail and recognize its uniqueness. He received a call offering him a partnership to sell the drink globally. The cocktail became a huge success.
I am so honored to have this launch. I never predicted any of this could happen to me. I thank my manager Sydney for giving me a job. Yeah, I thank the girl I only saw once for the inspiration, of course, and most importantly, I thank my mother for the words of encouragement. Tycoon is now available across all stores. Do the right thing, pleases.
Ka Tieho le mahlohonolo a ba fumane from the cocktail, he finally launches his music career. His long-held dream came true, proving that creativity can find success in unexpected ways. And that is how a struggling artist, a mysterious woman, and one spontaneous drink created the legend of the Mircacle cocktail called Tycoon. Ka lebitso ke RENA, wa hatsikane, wa halekgolokwe, sekoti se fatwe ke mang, ke ba holoholo ba kgale.
What you finna do, but